Okay, let's see if we can do this again. We are looking for the expression that has the same value as the 5 in 35,217. So we have to figure out the expressions first. What is 50 times 10? Write your 50. Since we're going one place value greater, 10 times greater, we simply add a 0, add a place value. So it's 500. This would be 5,000. 500 plus the 0, or place value, is 5,000. This will be 50,000. And this one, 500,000. So look at the place value of the 5 in 35,217. Which of these matches that 5 in that number? Remember, if we split that number up into expanded form, it'll tell us the value of that 5. We say 5,000. So which of these expressions gave us 5,000? This one. Good job.